Hello guys, welcome back. I am Umar, and today I'm going to teach you Vanishing Tool Filter. Go to Filter menu and click on the vanishing point. And create Vanishing Grid. You can increase and decrease the number of grids as per your image. But be careful that the grid color is not turned to red or yellow. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Expand it on the stairs. Now click OK. Create an empty or blank layer. Press Ctrl O to open media and import the graphic which you want to put on the stairs. Copy the image to your project file. Now press the Ctrl key and click the thumbnail of your graphic so your graphic will be selected, and again copy or cut it. Now click on the blank layer and again go to Vanishing Point and paste the graphic which you copied and adjust it in the Vanishing Grid. The graphic size is too much large, so let's resize the size of the graphic according to the grid. Now press the Alt key and drag the graphic down to the remaining stairs and adjust it. Now click OK. Our graphic is not matching with our image, so we will change the Art Graphic Blend mode to Multiply. Our graphic also cover the subject in our image. Select the subject using the Select menu and click on the subject. Our model or subject will automatically select it. Now press Ctrl J to duplicate and bring the subject to the top of the graphic layer. Now it's time to blend the color of graphic. With the image, double-click on the graphic layer and adjust the underlying layer blend mode. One and only last step to make our graphic look realistic is to make it a little blur. So go to Filter, Blur Gallery, and select Field Blur. And adjust the blur on the graphic. Here your image is ready.